Hi, Jimmy here. Today I am back with another makeup video thingy. I posted this picture on Facebook yesterday and quite a lot of people were impressed by how real the beard looked like, and I thought that hey, maybe I should make a tutorial how I did it, so you can use this trick or whatever for cosplay, or for example if you're trans you can use it to look more masculine, or for whatever reason you want to make yourself a beard, you can use this. The only thing you're going to need is face paint, and make sure it's waterproof. Well, that's not absolutely necessary, but it will make your life easier. First thing I'm going to do is I have put water in here and I have this huge brush, and I'm just going to dip it in water. Yay! Don't put too much paint in the brush because things will get messy and it will start dripping, and we don't want that. And when that's done, just start brushing your face. This is how it looks on Snapchat, and such it is not the most realistic thing or anything, but whatever. It makes me feel confident, and if it makes someone else feel confident when they do this, I don't fucking know. But anyway, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and feel free to test this yourself, and if you feel like supporting me, check my redbubble shop, link in the description. There's lots of pride themed prints, stickers and stuff, so I'm just waiting that someone or some people buy €5 worth of stuff, art from there, because then I would get my first paycheck fucking finally. I'm still waiting, so if you have extra €5 to spend, support your boy. But yeah, see you guys in the next vid.